Hi, this is Patti and welcome to my channel. I'm showing you some seared chicken that I have browned on top of the stove with all of the seasonings that I love, and I'm about to put it in the oven to cook it the rest of the way. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, a like, share, tell somebody about my channel. I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate your comments and your input. If you want to receive videos as they come in, just tap that notifications bell and you will be notified. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen. Thanks for watching and have a great, happy New Year's Day. This is the finished product of the seared and baked chicken. This is Patti. Please subscribe and like my channel. I appreciate you watching. Goodbye.